Good morning, children. Here we are studying chapter number 7, the green plants. And first we will know how do leaves make food. Children, as you know that we have learned that chlorophyll in the leaves helps a plant to make food, and the process by which green leaves make their own food is called photosynthesis. And children, to make food, a leaf also needs water, sunlight and carbon dioxide. And this process of obtaining these raw materials is quite simple. Children, here is the picture showing you the process of photosynthesis in plants. So firstly, the water is absorbed by the roots and carried by the stems to the leaves. And secondly, sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll when it falls on the leaves. Thirdly, carbon dioxide is absorbed from the air taken in through the stomata. And children, oxygen is being given out through the leaves, which is very important for us to breathe. And that is why we say that we should grow as many plants around us to get fresh air. Now children, the food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is in the form of sugar. And children, this food is taken from the leaves as different parts of the plant through branches and stems. And the plant uses some of this food for its daily activities and stores extra food as starch in the roots, stems, leaves, fruits, or sometimes even flowers of the plant. Children, here you can see how the leaf is preparing food for the plant in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Children, here you can see the parts of a leaf through the stem, petiole, then the base, the margin, the blade and the apex. Children, here is the picture shown you of stomata. And as you know, there are millions of tiny holes under the leaf. And these tiny holes are known as stomata. And they help the plant to breathe in and breathe out air. Here you can see the picture of a plant doing the process of photosynthesis in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide and sunlight and water. Now moving on to the next topic, children, we are going to learn about interdependence of plants and animals. As you know that animals and plants depend on each other in several ways, as green plants are main producers of food and animals depend on these plants for food. And children, thus a chain exists in nature for obtaining food, which we call a food chain. And besides, plants also give out oxygen, which is needed by animals to breathe. And animals in return give out carbon dioxide, which is needed by the plants for photosynthesis. So here, children, let's have a look at the picture given in your textbook showing animals depend on plants for food. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide is used by the plants and oxygen is used by the animals. and plants give out oxygen. So you can see how they are depending on each other for many things. And here again a food chain is shown to you with the help of a food chain. Now in the next picture you can see the way all the plants and animals are interdependent on each other. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have a safe day ahead.